Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Tuesday, April 2nd. I'm James Spann. The weather dry today and tomorrow, but rain returns before the week is over. Maybe some strong storms along the way. And what about the weekend? Maybe the warmest so far this year. Here we go. Upper look this morning. Fairly vigorous upper trough. A little shortwave coming through overnight, but hardly any moisture. But despite that, that was the radar at 4:58. We had a few sprinkles, a lot of that not reaching the ground, but a few spots getting a raindrop or two. But that feature will be long gone by the time you watch this, and the day should be nice today. No freezing issues this morning. We have mostly 40s and low 50s on the board. Birmingham at 50. We'll rise up into the mid to upper 60s today. There's the watch warning map, a very quiet early morning on April 2nd across the country. Here's the severe weather outlook for today and tonight. No severe weather expected. Tomorrow, a risk of severe storms, the standard slight risk over parts of west Oklahoma, a marginal risk over into Arkansas. And then on day 3, which is Thursday, we've got a risk of severe storms in a broad zone from near Dallas to Birmingham. Got the standard slight risk over much of Louisiana, Arkansas, and Mississippi. That slight risk noses into extreme west Alabama. And then we have a marginal risk as far east as Tuscumbia, Birmingham, Montgomery, and Enterprise. The areas in darker green, that's the lowest end threat, and we'll talk about this in more detail as we go. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The southeast looking relatively wet. Maybe we'll get some rain to flush the pollen. Rain amounts down here between 1 and 2 inches for much of the state. The heavier totals down in South Alabama, and this is valid through Tuesday morning of next week. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06Z run at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Trough going negative tilt over the eastern U.S., and a pretty tight little surface low develops just off the coast of North Carolina. Going to be windy and wet there, but for us, the day will be sunny with a high between 66 and 69 for most places. Tomorrow, we start the day between 40 and 45. The high will be in the 70s. A beautiful day. Lots of sun. Showers and storms form to the west. Those will creep in here probably late Thursday afternoon into Thursday night. This is Thursday night, just after midnight. And you get the idea that these things will probably be weakening. This is the instability, the buoyancy, and there's just not much Thursday night. So the limited instability will likely limit this, but still there might be a storm with gusty winds, maybe some hail, but they should be weakening as they come in here. We'll still keep an eye on them. And then Friday, the better chance of showers probably early in the day. Let's say the rain will be ending by mid-morning for most places. We might see a bit of sun by Friday afternoon. The high Friday should be in the 70s. All right, weekend fans, let's take a look at the Saturday and Sunday. Warm and a little unsettled. We'll be flirting with 80 in spots both days. Highs, I'd say 76 to 80. Saturday, a mixture of clouds and sunshine, a chance of scattered showers and storms. Which means if you got something outdoors, just go for it, but just be aware there could be a rain delay along the way. And then Sunday, the showers and storms probably becoming more organized and more widespread. Of the 2 days, I would suggest this might be the day with the most active weather. And some of the storms could be strong because look at the instability on Sunday. There's a large area of unstable air. And again, we'll be flirting with 80. The dew points are coming up, so we'll have to watch for the chance of strong to severe storms before the weekend wraps up, especially Sunday and Sunday night. And then Monday, the wave moves on to the east, and again, showers probably fading during the day. No cool air, really. High should be in the 70s. But look at Tuesday of next week. Wow. GFS kind of goes nuts with a very deep trough over the eastern states. Strong surface low forms over the Carolinas to the east, and that would pull down noticeably colder air if this verifies. Temperatures go well below average on Tuesday of next week, but this run is a little bit of an outlier. Just be aware of that. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, the 11th. Pretty good looking trough in the western states, and that's right, we're dry, but a deep surface low is over Kansas, and again, at some point that might generate some strong storms. April is the core of the spring tornado season here. We all know that. You have to watch things closely. Here are the numbers coming off the GFS ensemble. Look at that, 83 on Sunday. Wow. But then highs could dip into the 60s perhaps by the middle of next week, and then we go back in the 70s on through mid-April. These are the temperature anomalies coming from CPC, and this is suggesting it could be relatively warm here on through mid-month. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.